Parkinson's disease is a disease that affects nerve cells that produce dopamine. These cells are slowly destroyed and dopamine cannot be produced. Without this dopamine, the brain is unable to send messages to the rest of the body, so the body gradually begins to lose muscle function. Symptoms of Parkinson's disease include shaking or tremors, movement, problems of the hand, poor balance, muscle pain, and problems blinking or swallowing. Parkinson's usually occurs in people who are middle-aged and older and is relatively genetic. One treatment that is shown to be successful includes using dopaminergic drugs. These drugs work to increase the brain's dopamine levels by either mimicking dopamine or metabolizing its dopamine. Dopamine is so important because it is a regulator of emotion and movement. Increasing dopamine activity slows down the disease. The drugs are usually consumed orally and daily. When using stem cells as dopaminergic drugs, new dopamine-creating cells are implanted into the body in place of cells that have died and are no longer creating dopamine. These treatments have been tested on animals, which demonstrated that dopamine agonists induce less motor complications than other treatment options. Clinical trials have also shown that these initial forms of therapy have decreased motor complications. These treatments reduce dyskinesias and dystonia, as well as reduce motor complications as mentioned earlier. There are some side effects, however. These include nausea, cramps, and involuntary movements. Dizziness and constipation and somnolence have also occurred. Hallucinations have been reported. Treatments for Parkinson's disease are continuing to grow and improve every day, and hopefully we will eventually find a treatment that will cure Parkinson's forever.